Hi guys, this is Cassandra Castaneda. I am presenting EDTC 615 Final. Data Action Plan, what is it? A data action plan is a set of data that you can collect from your students on their assignments. Now that you have the data from the students, such as their grades and objectives that were to be met during that time, you need to review it. What needs to be corrected? Are we doing everything to meet students as a whole? This can include large groups, small groups, and evaluating if a student has an IEP and are the accommodations being met to assist them. What is done after? Well, since we have the information presented to us, we know we now need to do what is called a triangulating. Triangulating. Review additional data with intent of making clear connections to among three items: our original source of data and the information we extracted from it, our instructional strategies, and our students' performances. When do we apply the goals? Applying the bridge and the gaps with students is up to the educator depending how long the required goal needs to be done over a course of time. It is the entire class or a set of group of students. This all contributes to an action plan. Each goal needs to adjust the class as a whole to help them better succeed in the classroom. How do we implement the implementation of this, and what are the goals after? Once you have implemented the action plan and see the new results and compare them to the past ones, you need to evaluate where your students are now. I believe it's important to look back at your past action plan to see what steps you use to help students succeed. This will give you a better outlook to see what implementations worked best and what didn't in the classroom with students. How does the plan help students? The data action plan allows the educator to meet the students where they are at. The educator is giving the students multiple opportunities of various assessments and presenting curriculum to them to meet the objective. Through the data action plan, we can see the teacher strategies work best and continue to apply them. Thank you everyone for watching.